Why is the density of water and ice so essential for life to occur on Earth? Remember that water is less dense as a solid, which means ice, which is the solid form of water, is going to float. This is because the hydrogen bonds spread out the water molecules in a given area. Because these water molecules are more spread out, it's going to be less dense as a solid compared to its liquid form. Again, which means ice floats. Now that should make sense. But the really cool thing about ice floating is it's essential for life to occur on Earth. Because if ice sank, life couldn't exist. And this is why it's so essential. Essentially what happens is as ice is going to build up at the top here, it's actually going to insulate the water below. This allows that life to actually survive and not freeze to death. Because if it sank, what would happen is the ice would build up and freeze over, killing all the life in the oceans, rivers, lakes, and streams. And since life evolved in the water, if ice sank, we wouldn't have life here today because it would have died. So it's essential for ice to float to insulate the water below, because if ice sank, it would kill all the life in water.